This week, Gemini 3.6 Flash and Qwen 3.8 Max is launched, and both claim that we are launched one of the most intelligent model, where Qwen claim that it will be the second only after Fable 5 with massive 2.4 trillion parameters. Then we are going to test it out both this model in free plan. I will show you where you can get it for free. We are going to test it by using one real project. Then we will find out which model will be best, and among these two models, which model are intelligence model. Along with Gemini 3.6, it will launch other two model, 3.5 Flash Lite and 3.5 Flash Cyber. Here, during launching, Gemini highlight one thing, which is output token. 3.6 Flash Hour workhorse model that delivers better code, knowledge work, and multimodal performance. According to the Artificial Intelligence Index, it reduced output token usage by 17% as compared to 3.6 Flash, which is one of the most achievement that will be mentioned and in 3.6 Flash. And Qwen 3.8 Max claim that we believe it's the one of the most powerful model available today and compatible to leading frontier AI model, second only to Fable 5. This is one of the bold decisions that Qwen claim. We are going to test it in a real scenario where I have opened both Qwen Studio and Google Gemini. You can easily access both of this model freely in its official website. In chat.qwen.ai, you can get access of Qwen 3.8 Max preview, and in Google Gemini, you can get access of 3.6 Flash. I'm going to give same task to both this model and see how much time this model will take and what its performance. Here, I want to start with from one Mario game. I'll give same prompt to both this model. Let's start from Google Gemini, and I'll give same prompt at the same time to Qwen 3.8 Max as well. Both are thinking. Let's see how much time it will take, and at the same time we will see its performance as well. Where Gemini already start to write the code. Not only write the code, it will already completed it. Wow, how much fast is it? I can imagine. But Qwen is still thinking. Let's try to run it. I'll copy this all the code. I'll paste it in my index.html where it will complete this game in 400 lines. I'm shocked about its speed. How much quick is it? I'm going to try. It will only do it fast, or this is working as well. Okay. Working. Game over. Working perfect. You win. Okay, is it good? But not that much good. It is not that bad as well. When one level is completed, it will not move to next level, and it will complete this game in one screen, which is the things that I will not like about it. But Qwen is still thinking. Let's hope it will generate awesome output. After so much long time, it will start to write the code. If it will generate the awesome output, then time is not matter. But we know that Qwen 3.8 Max is just launched a day ago, and it will mention in the website we have faced a too much traffic. That's why response time may take little bit more time. Okay, if performance is good, then response time not a big deal. It will generate nearly 650 line of code, where Gemini generate nearly 400 line of code. I'll replace it with this code. I'll save it, and let's see how is it. Okay, nice. It is very good. As compared to Gemini, it will too much good. Okay. If I will rate 3 star to Gemini, then I will give 10 star to Qwen. It will generate very awesome game as compared to Gemini, where Gemini response is too fast but performance is very bad. From same prompt, I will play this game just a minute later, but I want to test it with another task, where I will give one prompt to Qwen and I'll give same prompt to Gemini. this is my prompt. Build a most impressive web application you can using only HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Rule: everything must be inside one HTML file, no extra library or assets. It should immediately impress user visual, include advanced animation, include interactive component, include modern UI, make it feel like premium web application. It will already completed it. Okay, this time it will return little bit more code, but I'm sure that Qwen is still thinking. For the better output, thinking is important, and due to high traffic, Qwen takes little bit time. This game is 10 out of 10. There is no any way to argue on this game. Totally perfect game. It will work like a real game. You can see like a one fully functional real game. But Gemini generate one silly game where Gemini already complete its tasks. Let's copy it and let's see what does it will build. We have give liberty to build any type of web application. Let's see. Okay, what is it? C level. I don't know what is it. It will only give this custom progress bar. When it click, nothing will happen. Here at the bottom right corner, it will show FPS 22, 23. I don't know what is it. Let's wait the Qwen 3.8 performance and we'll decide which one do you need to choose. After 1 decade, it will start to write a code. I'm assuming due to the high traffic, it will take too much time, but its performance is perfect that I feel in my previous tasks. Let's see which type of web app it will create. Can you imagine? It will return a 3500 line of code in single HTML file, where Gemini return 700 line of code from same prompt. That's why it will take little bit more time. It will think, it will analyze, then only it will prepare. I'll copy this code. This is the output from Gemini. I don't understand what it will build. Now I'll replace it with Qwen output. I'll save it. Let's see what does it build. Premium web desktop app. Okay. Wow. It will build one operating system. Just like macOS, you can see when I move my mouse cursor in this app section, it will hover, and when I click, it will open. Similarly, when I move my mouse cursor, it will hover, and when I click, it will open. It will create one awesome, one sample operating system. We can say that much different that you can feel between these two, Qwen 3.8 Max and Gemini 3.6 Flash. According to the performance, Qwen 3.8 Max get 10 out of 10, but it will take a little bit more time. If performance is in the peak, then time is secondary. Okay, that's it for today's video. I'm going to wrap up here. If you want some other comparison, comment down below. I'll cover it in my upcoming video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. How much you can rate between these two AI platform which is launched this week? Comment down below. Okay, bye bye. Happy coding. We'll meet you on the next video.